Teachers, look left and right. If somebody needs help, just get up and do it.
Hi, I'm Sam Rao. Welcome to the Sam Rao Yoga Teacher Training School. From day one, every student that comes into the school has an opportunity to start to teach. When I'm talking to a new potential teacher coming in, is they just immediately turn around and say things like, but I don't have the confidence, Sam, to stand in front of the class. That is what this school is about. There is no place you can go and buy confidence, so it's got to be manifested internally, and that is why the practical aspects of this training course. You stand and you do it and you teach to your peers. That's probably one of the most difficult places to teach, is through your peers, but if you can do that, then eventually you go and stand in a class. You are the guru.
He really does want to build your confidence, and as he says, he wants to make everybody a better teacher than he is, and if I could be nearly as good as him, I'd be very, very impressed.
We got personal practice, then we got teaching practice, then we got philosophy and history, then we have anatomy and physiology. We also have a business module.
He's very encouraging, and all the time when you're doing the postures, he's telling you the benefits and why you're doing them, even right down into the internal organs, tendons, ligaments, and you really understand why you do yoga for health.
So you're really getting to teach right from day one, first weekend, right in there, adjusting. I went along to a class a couple of weeks ago, and the teacher didn't turn up, and so I took a class just of 2 people because everyone else had gone away already. But I did take 2 people through a 40-minute class, so it's all in there somewhere.
I'm really looking forward to welcoming you to the Sam Rao Yoga Teacher Training School.